All right, everybody, this is your quick lesson for Core Bites number 19. So make sure you make your corrections on your paper. So number 1 says, which are multiples of 6? Okay, so what you're trying to figure out is what numbers you can multiply 6. Basically, you would multiply 6 by numbers to make numbers, right? So 6 times nothing would give you 2. 6 times nothing would give you 3. But 6 times 2 would give you 12. And 6 times 5 would give you 30. So these would be the factors that create those multiples. So your answer for this one is actually 2 answers, C and D. Okay? For number 2, place value. It says give the value of the underlined digit. So here we have the 1, which is in the 10,000s place. Okay? So if you look at the number beside it, it's a 2. The 2 is going to tell it to stay the same. So you're going to write the 1. And then all of the other numbers, 0 is their name. So 1, 0, comma, 0, 0, 0. So your answer would be 10,000. For number 3, which number makes the fractions equivalent? Equivalent means they are equal. Okay? So 10 times 3 gives you 300. So you've got to say in your head, 10 times what would also give us 300? So the answer is 30. And the way you know that, if you take 10 times 30, all you do is you multiply the two numbers, 1 times 3, which gives you 3, and then add your 2 zeros, and you'd get 300. So that's just a quick little way to figure that out. So your answer, though, is 30. The 30 is the missing number. For number 4, it says, what is the measurement of this angle? If you know, that means it's a right angle. It is directly at that degree, and so that degree is 90 degrees at a right angle. So your answer would be B. And interestingly, that leads us to the next question. So the next one says, okay, so is this angle, that is this angle here, is it acute, right, obtuse, or straight? Okay, so a straight angle would be just like that. Obtuse would be over 90. Right is 90. And then acute would be oh so cute because it is less than 90. Okay? So this angle is actually a right angle because it is exactly 90 degrees. So please make your corrections and let us know if you have any questions.